Hello guys, welcome to Tech Food and Explore. So today we're discussing another topic in this session. So thank you for watching. Welcome to a new session. So today we are discussing how to trigger AWS Lambda function to S3 bucket. So whenever you upload a file into your S3 bucket, it will automatically trigger by using our Lambda function. So we are checking that. So we can see just an example. AWS trigger a Lambda function. So I will demonstrate a picture. So this is we going to demonstrate. So when a user is uploading a file into your S3 bucket, so it will automatically trigger by using a Lambda function, AWS Lambda, and it will display the triggered events in the CloudWatch. So that will we are going to demonstrate. So for that we need a S3 bucket and a Lambda function. So and we need to trigger this S3. So first of all, we are going to our AWS console, login to my account. So first we need a S3 bucket, so I'm going to S3. So here I'm creating a bucket. I will give test for 369, like that. Anything you need, you want, you can give the name. I'm giving test for 369. So I'm creating my bucket. So test for 369 is created now. So by using Lambda function, we can trigger this S3 bucket. Whenever a file is uploaded to this S3, this Lambda function is automatic trigger. So we need to create a Lambda function. So I'm going to Lambda. So here we need to create a function, Lambda function. So just click on create function. So here some of the option is author from scratch, use a blueprint. You can use some blueprint as we get object Python, dynamo process stream. So here we are using author from scratch. First of all, give a name for your function. I can give my anything you want to create. My S3 trigger Lambda. I'm giving like this. So the runtime, you can there is many languages are possible. Go, it's possible in the Lambda function, you can write in Go, then Java 11, Node.js, Python, Ruby, .NET, everything is possible. So here I'm checking with Python, so I'm choosing Python. That's it. So then permissions. So first of all, we want to create a role that allows a full access in S3 bucket and the CloudWatch. So just go to IAM, then then go to role, then create a role. So basically we need to access in both S3 and CloudWatch. So here you can see lambda. Choose this lambda, then next permission. So here search for S3, then for S3 full access. This is required. Also CloudWatch is also required. CloudWatch is full access. I already created this role for just a demo. I am showing to this here. CloudWatch. Full access. This two roles is required. Then click on next tag. Next to you and create a role here. I already created a role by name AWS S3 Lambda. So if you are creating a new role, you can create just anything you want, role name AWS S3 Lambda access, full access, like that you can create. So I added all the permissions, that S3 full access and CloudWatch full access permission while creating this role. So whatever you need for the role name you can give it. So that's it. After creating that role, so for just demo I'm showing this. So now I'm going to this permission. I already created AWS S3 Lambda role which gives a permission of S3 full access and CloudWatch full access. So use an existing role. Choose this AWS S3 Lambda is our role. You can see after creating the role, you can see here AWS S3 Lambda. Then click on create function. So it will create our Lambda function. So this is my S3 trigger Lambda is a function. So just go down, you can see a demo code is there. It's written in Python, Lambda function.py. This is a demo code is given there. So in order to trigger this S3 Lambda, S3 bucket, whenever a user upload a file, so we need to want to modify this code. So I already written a code. I'm given this is my GitHub. So I will give this repository link in my description. Please go and check it out. So we want to make changes in that code, Lambda function code, with this code. So just copy this code, trigger Lambda on S3 file upload. This one is. So just copy this code. I will give this link in description. So just go to Lambda function and just replace by our new code. So this is the code. So this is a Python code. So we are importing a JSON. Then Bota 3. So Bota 3 is a AWS SDK software development kit for Python. So import your lib. Then a function is declaring def lambda handler, which contains parameters, event, and context. Then we are using this. We are going to access the S3 bucket. Then bucket name. It will fetch the records in the bucket. What is the contents in the record? The bucket. Then it will return a message if this file is got uploaded, then the file name will be displayed in CloudWatch. That's it, and the file content also displayed. This is for reading this file content, JSON load contents. So this is the code. Okay, after changing this code, just deploy this code. Then it will replicate our changes. So that's it. Then we need to add a trigger for triggering this S3 bucket. We need to add the trigger. So just go to this add trigger. So here we can add this trigger. Just search for S3. Okay. It will display our bucket. Which bucket we created? The bucket test for 369. Just link that bucket test for 369. So event, we can set the event type. You can select for all object created. Here I'm checking for put. Whenever user can upload a file, it will trigger. That's it. So prefix suffix is optional. This is for when a user upload a file inside, and there is another folder inside this test 436, and then you can add. So for a demo, for a demo, if there is a folder called check demo or like that, then you can add demo here. Inside the demo, the content is there. So here is no, here I am not adding these things because we need because in S3 there is no file folder is there, that's why I'm not adding. So after that, click on checkbox, then add. That's it, this event is added. So we can check in S3. We'll go to S3 in properties, an event. You can see an event is added. Go to events, event notification. This is our event. Now we added this event. Put lambda function S3 trigger lambda. This is our event. So that's about our code part. That's it. Trigger is done. So whenever a user is upload a file to our S3 bucket, this test4369, it will automatically trigger using lambda function. So I am uploading a JSON file for this is a JSON, this is a demo JSON. It contains data, name, age, type. So I am adding this JSON file to our bucket. We can see it will triggering our S3 bucket automatically by using lambda function. So I am adding my JSON file in the bucket. Uploaded. So now if the all the things go well, then it will automatically trigger this using lambda function. So for seeing the events and the logs, just go to this monitor. In monitor tab, you can see view in CloudWatch, metrics, log, traces. So just open this CloudWatch. You can see the logs. If everything is go right, it will show in the log. So you can see one log is present. Just open this log. So you can see the function is successfully executed. That's it. You can see, hey, this file is got uploaded, valid. That's valid JSON is uploaded for this bucket text4369. So this is the content of the file: name, Vishnu, age 23, type, response. So that's it. So our function is working perfectly. So that is whenever we user upload a file to our S3 bucket, it is automatically triggering by using lambda function and reading the content. So I'm added one file. We can also add another different file and check it's working or not. So go to S3 bucket. I'm uploading another JSON. We can check which JSON. Example 1 contains fruit, apple, size large, color red. So I'm uploading this file. Example 1.json, this one. So I'm uploading. If it is right, it will automatically trigger. You can see the log in CloudWatch. This previous log. If we refresh, you can check. Okay, we can see this is the previous one. So now you can see, hey, this file is got uploaded example1.json into bucket text4369. So this is the content it read, fruit, apple, size large, color red. So this is the method to trigger S3 by using Lambda function. So that's it. User uploaded S3 bucket, then it is triggered by AWS Lambda, and the function log will be displayed in CloudWatch. So this is the thing. So you can check the code in the description. I have given my GitHub link in the description. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.